Beacons AI is another link in bio tool, but it goes beyond just hosting links. It's designed as a mini business hub for creators. So how does it compare? At its core, Beacons gives you a customizable landing page where you can showcase links, socials, and content. But unlike simpler tools, it layers in features like a built-in store, media embeds, and an email capture, making it more than just a directory. Setup is straightforward. You can drag and drop sections and colors, backgrounds, and even upload custom branding. The free plan is surprisingly generous, while paid tiers unlock advanced analytics, custom domains, and deeper integrations. In testing, Beacons felt more creator-focused than Linktree, with features like tipping, digital downloads, and sponsorship forms built in. On review sites, creators love the monetization tools and the flexibility, though some note the interface can feel busy compared to Linktree's clean simplicity. Overall, Beacons.ai is a strong choice if you're a creator who wants more than just links. It's an all-in-one hub where you can showcase, sell, and connect with your audience. So if Linktree feels too limited, Beacons might be the upgrade that gives you the tools to actually grow your creator business.